Hi guys, thanks for joining Naija Watch on this wonderful and educative video. We Naija Watch are here to entertain you with varieties of amazing and top-notch videos. We live stream daily just to make sure your screen is being entertained with amazing videos. So please do endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click to the notification button so you will always be notified whenever we are going live. Thank you.
Well, my people, I do Gola Street now off Mission Road. Now Gola nowadays, so I see say this project they do award them since they can't abandon her. This very project we had to talk about, so they do award them years ago, but it was abandoned. If you see on this side, they don't do gutter. They don't do gutter. You see, and just now, na Mission Road that they had 2 years now. Ogola Street off Mission Road. On the other side, you cross this side, cross onto Mission Road now. Woshoni. No Woshoni the other side.
Yes, across the Woshoni.
Across on the other side is a Woshoni. And one funny thing where they say, even these streets say they generate money. Buses they load by the side. Revenue officers they come they collect their money on behalf of state and local government. But the project they don't abandon and just do gutter, put small stone, whether na stone base or another they call them. Now they abandon the road. The rain don't wash all the stone come out. So now one of the problems they face for Benin Metropolis with this. So I they do this very well now to draw the attention of government. As in talk say more they draw attention of all the roads where they award where they not do. So this very one, how do they call this one? Akenuwa Street. Off the same Gola. This one lead to New Lagos Road.
Yes.
Lead to New Lagos Road. By Benin, this road go face Benin Baptist Church. This road they say abandon now. The only thing you can see now the wash off of the stone base. Now you they see. You see that vehicle, the struggle will come now. So let's more go to the Mission Road that side of it before I can ask some people questions. Waiting they know and the contractor we do at that time and the year we it happen. Meanwhile, see ya. Now funny state now we dey. Now out of Benin. So now presently now Mission Road now you dey see for that side. On the other side now Woshoni. Now we dey see so. You see her now. You see her say not be village, not be Uday. You can see they don't run the gutters. On the other side of it you see gutters. So they go to Akenuwa Street. May I ask some people question the level what they know about this road. I guess some individuals who volunteer say they will talk to me how they know reach for this road. So my brother, may you come. So most stay for this Akenuwa now. Me by Akenuwa junction for the Ogwola. And the junction be now Akenuwa junction and then the one we face now they lose this bus so. With that man from the corner and I be Ogwola straight to Mission Road. While the other one, this Akenuwa, move straight to New Lagos Road. On a viable street for Benin, opposite Benin Baptist Church. So my brother, please, I want to ask you a question. I bet you face camera be there. I bet you feel know the year where they abandon these projects.
Hello? To be like, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Around 10 years ago.
Don't reach 10 years.
8 to 10 years.
8 to 10 years. Where they work it for this thing, for this work. So at that time, where they do one, they just come make that time gutter never do.
No, gutter never do. Now they do gutter.
Yes.
At the time, the first do one reach one stage.
Yes. Yes.
Until I come.
I bet talk loud me.
Where they come,
yes.
they come finish. they can't do the gutter.
Yes.
Put these stone base.
Okay.
We were hoping they were coming to complete the job.
From
that time till now, we not see any.
From that time to this very time we dey now, you don't never see anybody. No response. Oh yeah, I beg. If like you know this area very well, you will follow me go down. Me I take am because now many streets now this thing connect. It connect Yeweka, it connect Akenuwa, it connect Ogwola. So it connect Osaitin. Okay, I feel ask you some question. Bless you, they do business here. May you tell us how it be, how far they don't abandon this project.
Yes, sir.
What can you tell? What you feel now feeding program? Okay. What you feel tell us about this project? Now, if we abandon and then do this gutter like this.
Yes, they just finished the gutter.
Yes.
And the project was abandoned like 12 years ago or 11 years
like 12 years ago.
Yes, the project was abandoned, and since then,
yes,
the contractor just only put the gutter.
Put the gutter.
Yes, after putting the gutter, since then, I have not get a reply from any other person.
You feel remember which administration at that time they do this road?
That was the time of
Oshomole administration. First 10 or second 10?
The first.
First 10.
First, yeah.
The first 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Mo waka go na some the thing they see for Benin be this o. They give people project, they'll carry money, they not go do. Leave the people they suffer for nothing. Well, as far as they will continue to expose every one of them, as we they expose them, Oga, take that thing, it's not good. At this environment day so, you like can't see dirty. You know they throw dirty, see all those things they kill our environment. A big boy like you carry dirty to away. Where throw that dirty just now?
Mr. Gota.
Oga, you take am, Oga, take am o. If you not take am, if they not fit get you today before 2 weeks, government go owe you. Big come, make friend with environment, go dispose am well. You hear? We must treat this environment like better place because na environment na get me and you. I see they say Ogwola now for out of Benin. This road na opposite Owoshoni up Mission Road. Na in dey, but e connect many other road, other health road connect am. See how e bad reach. As you can see, there is no trick. As that man wey I interview just now say he do only the gutter and they abandon the job, and none of those residents know wetin really happen why the job was abandoned. That is why we are drawing the attention of Edo State Authority to ensure that make them investigate the contractor wey handle Akenuwa, Iyeweka, Osaretin. Presently now Edo Osaretin, opposite New Lagos Road, close to former First Bank. Out of Benin. So just look this road now. Na near First Bank. If you see reach up, park dey. Government dey generate money. More carry our carriage here. Government give you work, you not do, you go buy car, they build houses at the expense of the people. You say God don bless you, my brother, and I like God na cause he cause you. You can't steal and you can't dey praise God. Okay, just see her now. See condition the gutter, they no connect am. They just do am, just put sand, just put small stone and they just move. The problem we get say our wickedness, I don't know wetin they want to measure, especially when it don concern money issue. Whether if it don concern money issue, go bless say the brain wey Baba God give us don lost. This one na Benin metropolis, not be inside village e dey. So na so e be. So me I see one epa here, bless am one the landlord. May I ask her a question? Epa, domo sir. Epa, if you say na this street now you dey.
No really.
This street you see say government award this contract. As me ask question on this area, they say na Oshomole regime, and the contractor only can't do gutter. As he do gutter finish, they say no see am again. So we dey hear the cry now. We say mo come see am, and I also see am true. Na so e be. If you get you to tell us how long they abandon this project. But you can see now, you don't need pastor to tell say yeah, now abandon project. Okay. Okay, no problem, sir.
I didn't know that the project was done like that and claim that it has been done.
Claim that it has been done.
Yeah, completed.
Okay.
And I remember I spoke with one of my journalist friends.
Okay, sir.
He said he was going to follow up some of these abandoned projects like that.
Okay.
I don't know how far he actually went because he may tell you they have done the project whereas and on paper they would have submitted that it had been
Completed.
whereas the project has been abandoned.
Yes.
So those are the things that can arise all some of these contractors jobs and all that because one they may not truly agree on the amount
Okay.
to complete the project.
Okay.
And at the end of the day some people may want to be settled out of it. And so they may do the job half-heartedly and take part of the money. You understand?
Yes.
And they settle those who they need to settle and abandon the project. Because if the project is supposed to be done and you see it as a complete project, I'm sure government will want to also come out to look at it. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Look at the job that have been done and look at the performance. Performance evaluation takes precedence when you give a contract.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
If you don't have performance evaluation, then what are you talking about? So if performance must be measured by results, the people who award the contract should also ensure that they see what has been done and what they are paid for.
Okay.
And so that they get value for their money. So that's it.
Thank you for your time, sir. You are spoken like a professional. I think I will find a date with you, sir.
Yeah, okay.
We are grateful, sir.
Yeah, no, I will kindly oblige you.
Thank you, sir.
Right, thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. So you see, what they call this name again? No, Osareti. I see the Osareti. So well done, sir. I want to ask you questions, sir, about this road, sir. Yes, the nature of the road, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. So this road now, Osareti a day, so Osareti off New Lagos Road, off Ogwola Street. Ogwola go border New Benin on the other side, opposite Owoshoni. So this very road now, Osareti, is opposite First Bank, Benin Metropolis. And we will not feel open eye for this town. Say they'll give you work. As they give you work for this town, you charge the money, you go relax. You will not go put our people in pain. We will not go accept town. That is why they draw this appel. Okay, now online program too, and they also meet with the governor on issues like this. Now Naija Watch, yes sir. Go on, sir.
This is Osareti Street.
Yes sir.
This street was awarded by NDDC, what do you call them?
NDDC. Okay.
Niger Delta.
Okay.
Some years ago, they did the gutter. After a while, they now just come and pour ordinary gravel on it. It's supposed to be asphalt. There was no asphalt, and they abandoned it. You can see the gullies that is now in Ogwola there.
Yes, I've seen it.
It's the same thing. Ogwola, Yeweka, and plus the other street there, Akanuwa.
Yes, sir.
They were all supposed to be done. Another problem we are having is you can see now that in the morning you see that we don't have anywhere to pass here. The taxis are on this side, buses are on that side.
Yes.
We landlords, we have written to the local government twice. I have been there on several occasions to tell them that they should remove one of the taxi, either taxi or the bus. The taxi were deferred to be here. They should remove the bus to another street. How can you just cover the two streets? So we are being oppressed in our own. We cannot enter a house. If you have a car, you have to park your car very far away before you can actually you now trek into your house. If you are coming from outside, you are inside taxi, the road is blocked. You have to, the taxi have to park there and you have to come on your leg, with your leg to come here. So it's very, very bad. Government should listen to its citizens.
Yes.
We are and to look at, because of the taxi driver, look at this place is now like a refuse dump.
Yes.
they mess up the whole place, urinate everywhere.
Also, the way they even they smell.
All the everywhere smelling. All the refuse in their car, they sweep it onto the street. So to worsen it up, the local government will come again and ask the landlord to come and sweep it. And will say they will fine us for not keeping the gutters clean.
Okay.
When they are collecting money, they are making money.
Also responsible for the problem.
Look at my here because I did here.
Yes.
Here they now come and reverse every day. I put that stone.
Yes,
they destroy many times. They destroy it. They destroy this thing, and nobody is giving me one cover for coming to. They reverse here. Am I not contributing to the revenue they are generating here? So what I'm going to do very soon, I will come and block this place so that I will see where they will be reversing. So the type of government we are having, they don't listen to people. They don't care about what people are going through. How can you allow buses and taxis on this narrow street to be walking? This is not a garage.
Yes, and there are children everywhere, as you can see.
It's a risk. There are children.
You can see there are children.
The driver is a risk to the environment, to the children, and it poses a health hazard to us. So I'm very sad that the local government did not respond to all the entities we sent to them.
It's under already.
I went there myself.
You said, sir, you have written letters before.
Yes, sir.
I will come and get a copy of that letter, photocopy of the acknowledged one.
I have it.
I will come, sir, another day, so that I can also meet with the local government.
Exactly. Thank you
on the same matter, because we are going to follow some of those issues.
Yes.
But meanwhile, this governor will ensure that he will see this video.
You know what is that exactly?
Yes, because most cases, let's assume that he's not aware. After seeing this video, in our heart, we will know say in there more the people they punish us.
Exactly.
So thank you, sir. I want to reach up. Even though say the park for afternoon after pass here, the many they don't reduce.
If it's morning you come, you will see that the whole road is blocked.
Yes, I don't see it like that. I don't see it like that. Well done, sir.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, sir. When I see the problem wey they face with that, even government join dey punish their own people. How can government create problem? You go carry the duty for the citizens shoulder. Make they foot the bill. This road then they generate revenue for am, and this road dey very very unhealthy to put park because of children. Children dey play. Why would government not take the life of citizens serious? Meanwhile, na the same society I dey o. This one wey say I dey come, I dey castigate. Muna carry una camera, muna come look am. Whether na castigate matter be this, na reality na be this. The same society I'm heading towards New Lagos Road, opposite former First Bank. So you can see all those places are packed on both sides. But because this evening now all of them don enter the major road, so you can't see any of them here. But some are still here. But if you come here by 7, 6 in the morning till about 5 in the evening, you see every one of them in this place. So now citing here end this citing matter. So I'm going back to Iyeweka to continue to also interview some of the landlord in that place. May I go back to that side? May I go ask them? Okay, nice. Osati na be this too.
Yes.
Osati Junction.
Yes,
by New Lagos Shopping First Bank. You see some of the useless job, some of the gutter, without protecting this place. And this thing run to the major New Lagos Road. Run to the major New Lagos Road. On the other side, I think there's another one. They cut into the road. Excuse. See ya. You see on sighting. See ya. See job. Putting road users and children are potential risk for this matter. You can see na former First Bank and First Bank, opposite First Bank na just dey so. Meanwhile, I want for New Lagos to enter Iyeweka. Mo see how e be for that side. Right now, I dey Iyeweka Junction for New Lagos Road side. You see this one they cut and enter road, this Abadan project, and why I'm drawing the attention of everybody to this very issue. Like all children mostly because children are risk to this thing. Anybody, even adult for here, fit break leg. And this thing was cut into the road. It's on both sides of the road. Without protection. Look at it. Without protection. You see, and children and all, they pass through this place and nothing is done. Oh, but me, I carry my camera, me, I move. Meanwhile, I did here worker. Now the abandoned project matter. As the last speaker tell me just now, say na NDDC, now I get the contract, now they can't do and abandon, like just do gutter, not through and not do anything. Just run now. Currently, I enter a year worker through New Lagos Road. Meanwhile, we dey follow the road they go. You can see the stone base where they put for the road. Now be this. Around the Shomole first time, abi. Now they award this road. They just do this gutter, just put stone base, and they move, carry our money for pocket. Big man don't carry a big man don't carry our money for pocket. So even at that time wey they do, and that man saying write letter at that time be. Una wey even dey this side, una write. Una also draw attention on government. Say this project, they don't abandon the road. Because the problem wey they face, wey they do us, the way they do us, most people feel be say government matter e no concern you, e no concern us. If you go read section 14 of the constitution, make am clear the role of government and that of the people, that the people shall participate in their governance, in their government. E stated in section 14 cap 2 subsection 2 cap C of the constitution 99 amended. So e make am clear the duty of citizen to draw attention of governance when things are not clear like this. No say they send you go school, you go carry degree, not know left from your right. Well, na here we can dey, so all those streets where I go now just all connect each other, and I'm very sure it was given to one contractor. And a big project. And it's a major and a big project, big one. And the person ate the money quietly.
This complex, straight to Dancy.
He go relax. From New Lagos Road straight to Dancy Road. Now this road take. This is year worker. So may I drag her, may I proceed. Now Dancy now they look for that side so. So there's a moat where if you drag the water to here, whether they drag them to the moat, that is what I'm not clear about. This is a moat. May I see how here happen. Here na moat. The water, some of them they control and enter this moat. Whether they direct and where fin, that is what I will not know. See the gutter, narrow gutter.
Not more than 2 feet in width.
Yes, about 2 feet.
About 2 feet.
For width. So here at this very junction, we are this so a brother Ogwola, Iyeweka, to on this place now where I face now to New Lagos Road, to Mission Road, here to Dancy Road. On this side to New Lagos Road. I'm calling on Edo State government that this project has been abandoned years ago according to information available to me during the tenure of Adams Oshomole, his first tenure. Now the contractor just can't dig gutter, put stone base, he put money, he put for pocket, and because nobody will feel ask him. So we they draw the attention of Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki to investigate this job wey NDDC, because say na NDDC na get this project, na abandon am, na run. Everybody fit talk to me here. Doctor talk to me now. Anybody? Okay, about the road. Now I big carry me come here so.
They don't gree finish the road. I say just leave the road. Ever since I see the road, they don't gree tell anything. NDDC come, I say they finish. Whether they finish the money for the road, they don't do the road. They don't do anything for the road. I say the road CP. I they live on for many years. Oshomole tell they do the road, but Oshomole tell they don't really finish. It don't finish.
Yes.
But as this man see come, Godwin Obaseki. See cause some minute see tell the road, nobody tell the road. That's what the road CP.
Okay. any other thing wey you need to wey you expect this government to do on this road
how
matter.
many tell the road if you look all the old street now from all those first dey come now they don tell the road but only here come remain the university.
Okay.
Na so.
And here connected so many major roads.
Many gens for this road now. Okay. They need to tell.
Park, but park not dey this very one.
No park, no park. The four roads are everywhere.
Abeg name all the road wey involve for me.
Osati, Akenuwa, Ogbola, Iyoreka, they never tell since.
Okay, which one park dey inside, sir?
Ogbola Osati na park dey there.
Park dey those ones.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. The reason why we do this one na to draw, let's assume say governor no know. So we are doing this one based on report wey we hear na make us come so that we go draw the attention of Edo State government. May you investigate the person wey carry this contract for that time wey not do those roads and the pocket the money enter. So wetin we dey even do now, una see help us if una still get name of that contractor that time even when we dey face Edo State, may we know so that we we'll still write to ICPC so that we we'll still take on our own ground.
Na people wey work here now.
Yes.
Some of them they be there since, but the area people wey dey see carry join for the work.
Oh,
they fit know abeg for me I no work for you but.
Okay. Wetin we go do, we go come out that day come get those names so that they fit get us una fit ask dem give us name of contractor so we go on our own we go take am with unity work with the landlords and the youth here to write letter so that to draw the attention of the relevant authority.
Wetin see come today now wetin tell me I still like tell the landlord anytime I see the power.
Okay. Thank you very much. As you can see na here we drop the cut na here na be the koko of the road because the road na 3 junction for here now 3 junction na here and the road condemn if you can avoid hold up from Mission Road you go pass here enter Dancing. If you avoid from New Lagos you go pass here comot so it's dey serve economic purpose. So I dey beg on the relevant authority to ensure that those who ate this money make dem come back to side because na human being dey here no be goat dey here so I no fit give you work chop our money you relax say God don bless you. Oga so you tell us the condition of this road and wetin you get to tell us.
About this road.
Yes sir.
For over 15 years now.
15 years.
This road don dey too bad before during Jonathan time.
Yes.
So na during Jonathan time na NDDC come say they wan do this road.
Okay.
If you see this gutter now na NDDC do one.
This very one yeah.
This very one na all this gutter wey you see so.
Wey around this area so.
This area so by the time they finish this all of us come dey praise God say they don give us succor say this road now they wan tie am. When e don reach the stage of tying.
Yes.
When the person wey dey give out this contract when he just hear say they remove Jonathan he abandon this road till today we no see am for face again.
Okay.
That is how this road dey that is how they abandon am na NDDC na dey give am this road to do we no see them again.
How many years now sure say this road dey abandon am.
That is about close to 6 years now.
Okay, close to 6 years.
Yes.
Now they abandon the road.
Yes.
Okay. We don hear because na cry we dey hear people say they chop money they not do this road. Now true I come today come look am na true e dey na it's okay. May I do it because if they talk they say they castigate government. We na wetin we dey see na we dey talk. Thank you very much sir. As I still talk. Yes. Okay, if the landlord dey here, I go appreciate because I wan talk to many people. Many not talk say they go and rate people ask question. As you can see, na locals for here volunteer their time. They talk to me. Behind me now na moat for Iyeweka. Okay, so I wan meet one of the landlord for the street. May he give me a version of the story so that the matter go clear for those wey wan handle am. If you know say na you chop money for this work you better come work for site. Okay. My padi aside so.
Yeah, he's a landlord.
Yes.
He's a landlord of this area.
Okay.
That
one sir. That one sir. That one why.
I don't get na 14 naira.
Ìnọ̀rẹ́ wa wẹ̀ màá wẹ̀ ìmọ̀ igúpo náà ìmọ̀ ẹ̀sọ́ náà wẹ̀ gẹ̀gẹ̀ ọ̀yẹ́ ihò ní ọ̀la ìpínyà nẹ̀ àmà so ìmọ̀ náà tó tó my man ẹ̀ mọ̀ náà okay ni ma kama wa ma lele ni ma do yawe ma bere yi so ma e mo ma ri oba e ma na e yi ma laduna so ma ere na o ke ma e ni wa no rudu na sa domo sa
Ukona.
yes sir
Beni ya west.
yes sir
Ma me be edebo. De ba recap. Mana do ari ni ate any NDDC.
yes sir
Be office.
yes sir
Ebe ne me mo o se mo pade. Ona awon o daba e paper ni. They not a you may carry in the paper ni.
yes
Bena picture ya manari hari this NDDC.
yes
Ana kawe uko na ge ya pin. Ya we mana ba ya we ge daba the paper no mo. Ina do the paper de la.
yes
Manari hari ai se ba de ya we ya ma ya na mo ba. Ege o chomo le makana.
yes sir
Agi ma ide jo ya na wa ma ya ma do ari Abuja. Mana do ni. Ana do ni go na e ma bu na ya na ari Abuja. Ai se ba ari be ari ofi. E pe de ba gbe ama mi e reply. E ma jina.
domo sa we say sir igogo we wa me paper no ya mo la bian
Iyo e paper ni e agwe mi.
mi a gwale yare
Iya wa mi e ni yi.
ni make a photocopy ore paper ni
Yes.
because a contractor no we KICPC ma o ni ma en ya
Ebe amani agwa we ga ni na obuka president.
okay owo Jonathan
Obuka Jonathan.
Okay.
Okay, ma na rete kada pla ma ju e ti so pare.
okay
Baba Nara. Ona arete kada pena be ya. E bot no rudu na o viola ni ya. Ona pe ya. Abe ja se gbe so be e boru me so be. E me ya mo eta ni.
That was
Paper ni o ma evidence.
Baba
ya wa akware igwale paper ni. Nugbe na am picture do na ya mo e the other place. Oro.
Baba, my brother, it's like say you come on my behalf. Let me hold on like that. Yola. You go come on my behalf. Who get chance? So that we Solomon. Stephen, come Stephen. Ori. Or when you want come, we will have to now make a photocopy. So I need that so that in my
the evidence you want.
so Nika my do you are in my so that my ICPC.
Okay.
So that they not say I'm now aware for.
Ni one man go.
Yes sir.
And ogogo ko le man na ya e paper ni wa pe me o ke ba ga are a press no do mo ona the paper ni
Okay sir.
e baga ni na de pa de bo pa do me
No, don't sir. All the ODA photocopy back where.
for the charge of it.
All the go yes now. Don't sir. What talk sir. Don't sir. Don't sir. You can see now we don't know.
Now what's your money for?
Now also money now too little money. Now money now they do this one they not come with that. money now they see us finish for this state. One share money. Now money una share now make they not do the work. Meanwhile una don hear from the people of the street, they don throw more light on the issue. Una see and say as the matter be na so they talk. So now for the state government to follow them because now currently now Governor Obaseki na he get the state na he dey in charge of leadership. Now for him to follow this matter to the end to ensure say Edo State go lead by example. No other learn say they not give you work, you just chop and put money for pocket go relax. Na there na me I end the cutting of this investigation today where my name remain Leftist Amo Osa Igbinowaya. God bless every one of us.
For watching with us, and please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification button so you will always be notified whenever we're going live. Thank you.